Hello students, let us continue the chapter The Ailing Planet. Okay, this is the part 2. Before heading ahead, let me give you recap of this chapter that we studied yesterday. Okay, so let's have the recap first. Students, this chapter begins with the initiation of the green movement. Okay, the chapter tells us about the declining health of our planet, that is our mother earth. Okay, clear. The nationwide green party was founded in New Zealand in 1972, and the green movement started nearly 25 years ago. Okay, since the article was published. The article was published on 24th November 1984, as I told you in previous video. Okay, here in that video we also discussed the changes introduced by the green movement. Okay, first of all, it brought a shift of changes from mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. Means at first, all the campaign that we run to have a good production and to have good development, we always we especially in 20th century focused on the use of machines. Okay, but by the end of 20th century, there was a shift of thoughts to be seen. That was a holistic and ecological view. Means now we not only focus on the use of machines, but we also focus on the using meticulously the resources, natural world of resources provided by noble nature to us. Okay, clear. Even this chapter, the first part of this chapter, uh, spread an awareness of our ethical obligations. Okay, the writer Nani Palkiwala has beautifully tried to make us know that it is our ethical, moral obligation, moral duty to be the responsible trustee of the legacy to future generation. Means noble nature has provided us so many resources that we can use to get a rapid development. Okay, here in this world. Okay, so here only we can, we means the entire mankind, the race of humankind can save the resources, world of resources for the future generation to use them. Okay, when they need, when they require. Okay, even we also gone through the awareness that has been uh, spread through the agencies, so many agencies of the world. Okay, they spread awareness. Okay, here the writer included the example of a Jew at Lusaka, Zambia, where there was a case. Okay, a case was there, and in that case there was no animal, only a mirror was put where man can see his own image. It means, and there was a notice that reads, man is the most dangerous animal. Okay, because man has always tried to impose his supremacy over nature world of resources. Okay, then the writer talks about the concept of sustainable development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the demand of the world of resources that the future generation would need in future. Okay, means such sustainable development. Okay, and without striping the natural world of resources the future generation would need. Okay, so sustainable development, this concept was popularized in the world in 1987. Okay, and it was popularized by World Commission on Environment and Development. Okay, clear. Thereafter, the writer talks about scientists' effort. Scientists have enlisted about 1.4 million living species, okay, with which we share this earth. Now, here the writer also talked about another shift of thought from a system domination, from a system of domination to a system of partnership. Means now we being a part of this earth uh, are enjoying or are participating, are sharing this earth with lots of with millions of species, other species. Okay, clear. Then the writer talks about Brand's first report, in which Mr. Alkeja was the distinguished Indian as its member. Okay, he put forth a question: are we to leave our successor to a scorched planet of advancing desert, impoverished landscape, and ailing environment? Okay, this pertinent question make us think of what we are doing and what will be the consequence if we striped the world of resources in the same way as we are doing now. Okay, then thereafter Mr. Lester R. Brown, in his thoughtful book, The Global Economic Prospect, he points out the Earth's four principal biological systems, that are fisheries, forests, grasslands, and croplands. Okay, and then the writer also told how man has dominated these systems. Okay, and overfishing. Okay, overfishing leads to disappearance of fisheries. Okay, clear. And whenever human claim reaches to an unsustainable level, okay, what will happen? uh, uh, Fisheries collapse, and grassland would become barren wasteland. Okay, clear. And even in the words of Dr. Myers, he called the tropical forest. Okay, tropical forest, जानते हो that I made you that I taught you like this, कि this is your earth, this is 0 degree equator, this is 23 and a half Capricorn, and this is है ना another line 23. Okay, so this part from 23 and a half north to 23 and a half south to this part is called the tropical forest. So this is the powerhouse of evolution. Okay, clear. यही है जो विकास का एक इवोल्यूशन, एक शक्तिपुंज है अपने आप में. मतलब पावर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज imbibed in this part of nation, of this world. Okay, but uh, but the forest, tropical forest especially, they are being cut at a high rate, and due to that lots of species face extinction. Okay, they face extinction in this region. Okay, let us read this chapter ahead. Okay, it has well it has been well said that forests precede mankind, deserts follow. Okay, clear. uh, Let me make you uh, make these things clear to you. Here the line is: forest precede mankind and deserts follow. It means, suppose uh, this tree is a forest. Okay, and here this is the man. Okay, and this is the dunes of desert. Means forest precede mankind and deserts follow. Means if man keeps on destroying the world of forest, the world's forest. Okay, forest world. Okay, soon the land will turn into a desert. Okay, clear. So the world's ancient patrimony of tropical forests is now eroding at the rate of 40 to 50 million acre a year, and the growing use of dung for burning deprives the soil of an important natural fertilizer. वो कहते हैं कि सच ही कहा है कि मनुष्य के आने से पहले जंगल होते थे, उसके आने के बाद अब मरुस्थल बन जाते हैं। मतलब मैन जो है, मैन कट द ट्रीज, ओके, एंड देन डेजर्ट्स डेवलप्ड। ये चीज़ें हो जाती हैं, चलती रहती हैं, ठीक है। जो क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट जो है ना, ठीक है, दे आर यू नो इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ आवर फोर फादर्स, पैतृक संपदा है हमारी, ओके। एंड नाउ दे आर इरोडिंग, वो हमसे लुप्त होती जा रही हैं। किस पर भाई? एट 40 to 50 मिलियन एकड़ a year, मीन्स 4 से 5 करोड़ 4 to 5 करोड़ एकर्स पर ईयर, इस रेट के ऊपर वो गायब हो रही थी, ओके, काटी जा रही हैं। एंड और इवन द यूज ऑफ डंग, डंग मीन्स गोबर, द नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर फॉर बर्निंग, जलाने के लिए गोबर के कंडों का यूज़ हम करते हैं, उपलों का यूज़ करते हैं। दैट हैज़ डिप्राइव्ड द सॉइल ऑफ एन इम्पोर्टेंट नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर, जिसकी वजह से मिट्टी को एक नेचुरल जो खाद मिलती है ना, वो नहीं मिल पा रही है, क्योंकि हम गोबर को जलाने लग गए हैं उस उपले बना के। द वर्ल्ड बैंक एस्टिमेट्स दैट अ 5-fold increase in the rate of forest planting is needed to cope with the expected fuel wood demand in the year 2000। तो जो वर्ल्ड बैंक है ना, उसने एक अनुमान लगाया है, एस्टिमेट किया है कि 2000 साल 2000 की जो डिमांड होगी फ्यूल वुड की, जो डिमांड होगी, फायरवुड की जो डिमांड होगी, उसको कंपनसेट करने के लिए दे हैव टू प्लांट 5-fold ट्रीज, फॉरेस्ट, 5 गुना ज़्यादा फॉरेस्ट आपको लगाने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके 2000 की साल जब आएगा, 2000 ईयर जब आएगा, तब वो उसकी डिमांड पूरी हो पाएगी। ओके, मीन्स इफ़ यू कट अ ट्री यू हैव टू प्लांट, इफ दे हैड कट द ट्री दे हैड टू प्लांट 5 ट्री इन प्लेस ऑफ 1, एक की जगह 5 लगाने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके वो डिमांड एग्जीक्यूट हो सकती है। इतना होता, ठीक है, ओके। जेम्स पैथ, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड रिसोर्स इंस्टीट्यूट, said the other day, we are saying that we are losing the forest as an acre a second, but it is much closer to an acre or and a half to a second। जेम्स पैथ जो फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट हैं वर्ल्ड रिसोर्स के, उन्होंने कहा कि वर्ल्ड रिसोर्स इंस्टीट्यूट के प्रेसिडेंट थे, उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो कि हम जो हम कह रहे हैं कि भाई जो फॉरेस्ट हैं उनको हम 1 एकड़, मतलब 1 एकड़ प्रति सेकंड, पर सेकंड 1 एकड़ जो लैंड है ना, इट हैज़ बिकम, इट इज़ टर्निंग इनटू बेरन वेस्टलैंड, ओके, ठीक है। वो 1 सेकंड में 1 एकड़ जगह की जो फॉरेस्ट है ना, उनको काटा जा रहा है, ये स्पीड है। बट इट इज़ मच क्लोजर टू एन एकड़ एंड ए हाफ पर सेकंड। लेकिन ये जो दर है ना, ये जो दर है, ये समझ लो, ये तो 1.5 एकड़ प्रति सेकंड के आसपास है, अगर हम कहें तो। मीन्स जो गवर्नमेंटल जो डेटाज है ना, दे आर नॉट एक्यूरेट और एडिक्वेट टू मेक यू बिलीव the amount of loss, okay, that we are causing to the forest and all that, okay। Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forests and wildlife of the country। But what causes endless anguish is the fact that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. कह रहा है कि भारत का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसकी जो आर्टिकल 48A जो है इन विच जो it is a state responsibility to protect and improve mm, the environment and safeguard the forest and wildlife. It is the state duty. ये स्टेट का ड्यूटी बनती है कि वो अपने संसाधनों का वो सुधारने का प्रयास करेगी और देश के वनों और वन्य पशुओं को बचाएगी. But the thing that gives us so much pain in India is that laws are never enforced no and are neither enforced nor respected in India. कि भारत में ना तो कानून को इज्जत मिलती है और ना ही कानून ठीक से लागू होता है. ये बात पहले की थी भाई, अब नहीं है. For example, the constitution says that casteism, untouchability, and bonded labor shall be abolished, but they flourished shamelessly even after 44 years of the operation of the constitution. You know, our constitution came into force in 1950. Okay, after these, after this year, even after the 40 years, means in 1990, okay, there were some incidents that could be seen of child marriage, bonded labor, child labor. इन सब के केस, क्योंकि कानून तो कहता है कि ये सब इलीगल हैं, बट स्टिल दे फ्लरिश इवन आफ्टर द 40 years ऑफ इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस. ओके, अब तो खैर काफ़ी कुछ सुधर गया है. ओके, क्लियर. A recent report of our Parliament's Estimate Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic depletion of India's forest over the last 4 decades. Okay, clear? You know what catastrophic depletion is? Catastrophic means tragic. Okay, and depletion means let me write it for you. The act of एक्सटिंक्शन या हम कहें कि डिप्रेशन मीन्स डिग्रेड होना. ओके, डिग्रेडेशन, पतन. और कैटास्ट्रोफी मीन्स ट्रेजिक डिप्लेशन. सो एज पर अ रिसेंट पार्लियामेंट्स एस्टिमेट कमिटीज रिपोर्ट, ओके, द रेट ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज क्वाइट बियॉन्ड एज दे हैव सेड. उन्होंने कहा कि 44 years लेटर वो जो क्या कह रहे हैं कि इन लास्ट 4 decades इंडिया इज लूजिंग इट्स फॉरेस्ट एट द रेट ऑफ 3 million acre पर ईयर. मीन्स मोर देन, मतलब अप्रोक्स लगभग 4 करोड़ एकड़ जो धरती है ना, मिलियन एकड़ जो लैंड है, इट बिकम्स फॉरेस्ट लेस in India per year. It was the data given by Parliament Estimate Committee. Okay, clear. Large areas officially designated as forest land are already virtually treeless. The actual loss of forests is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. वो कह रहा है कि गवर्नमेंट ने जितने आंकड़े दिए हैं ना, उससे 8 गुना ज़्यादा जो रेट है ऑफ डिप्लेशन है इनका फॉरेस्ट का इंडिया में, ये प्रिवेल्ड है. ओके, क्लियर. भारत में क्या है कि देर आर इन ईच विलेज यू कैन फाइंड पर्टिकुलर लैंड फॉर फॉरेस्ट. वन भूमि के नाम से, गोचर भूमि के नाम से लैंड छोड़ी गई है, but they now are virtually treeless. There are no trees even in that forest land. Okay, we have cut them to procure firewoods, okay, for food. Okay, तो ये चीज़ें हम कर देते हैं जिसकी वजह से पेड़ काटे जा रहे हैं. तो you can see how tragic the situation is here in India or in the world. Okay, तो इसीलिए तो डिग्रेडेशन इज़ पॉसिबल in environment. That's why environmental pollution is on increase here in India or in the world. Okay. A 3-year study using satellite and aerial photography conducted by the United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. Okay, students, United Nations America, they always try to get some uh, research, to do some research. Okay, as per their research that they did using satellite and aerial photography, after a 3-year study, okay, they warn the environment, they warn that the environment has got deteriorated so very badly in and it is now in crucial stage in the 88 country that they have investigated. 88 ऐसी कंट्रीज हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो उन्होंने देखा कि दे वर इन रेड जोन, स्पेशली रिगार्डिंग द इरोडिंग rate of the forest and all that. Environmental conditions were quite bad or worse there that time. Okay. There can be no doubt that growth of world population is one of the strongest factor distorting the future of human society. Okay, it took mankind more than a million years to reach the first billion. Then that was the world's population around the year 1800. Okay, students. Behind this depletion, the one of the strongest factors is population. You can even admit this fact. Okay, students, it took more than a million years to reach this earth, to reach mankind to get their first billion. 1 अरब आबादी होने में कई हजार कई लाख साल लग गए थे धरती पर 1 अरब आबादी होने में. दैट वॉज द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन इन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 1800. 1800 में, सन 1800 में वर्ल्ड की पॉपुलेशन 1 बिलियन यानी कि 1 अरब थी. ओके, बाय द ईयर 1900 a second billion was added, and with the rapid growth within the 100 years, within a century, a second billion was added in 19, and the 30th century has added another 3.7 billion. You can see the growth of population. Okay, कितनी जल्दी कितने हाई रेट से ये चीज़ें बढ़ रही है, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है पूरे वर्ल्ड की. द प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन is estimated 5.7 billion. The present means when the article was published then in the late 90s, then it was approximately 6 million people on this world. Okay, clear? In this world, every 4 days the world population increased by 1 million. कि हर 4 दिन में 10 लाख लोग जुड़ जाते हैं वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन में. It was the estimate made by the author or other agencies in the late 90s, but now the rate has been increased. Okay, clear? कुछ दिनों में तो हम ही नंबर 1 हो जाएंगे इंडिया वाले. Fertility falls as incomes rises. Okay, education spreads and health improves. Thus, development is the best contraceptive. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. Okay, clear? करें कि फर्टिलिटीज़, उत्पादन क्षमता जो है, इट फर्टिलिटी जो है ना, क्या बोलते हैं, with the growth of income, ठीक है, and with the spread of education, and with the improvement in health conditions. Okay, clear? The fertility, the power to conceive. Okay, गर्भ धारण की करने की या बच्चे पैदा करने की जो क्षमता है, ओके, इट फॉल्स, वो गिरी तो है, ठीक है, लोगों में समझ भी बड़ी है, क्लियर, एंड ओके, thus development is the best contraceptive. So if we talk about the best contraceptive, okay, the contraceptive means hindering conception, okay, गर्भ निरोधक, ठीक है। तो कह रहा है कि तो द बेस्ट कंट्रासेप्टिव मीन्स द पॉसिबल चेक ऑन पॉपुलेशन इज डेवलपमेंट। अगर लोगों का होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट होता है, ओके, इफ दे मेटिकुलसली प्रोड्यूस देयर चिल्ड्रन, ओके, देयर चाइल्ड, समझदारी से सोच समझ के करें पैदा, तो द ग्रोथ ऑफ पॉपुलेशन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड, ओके। But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in number continues. And in late 90s, the writer warned the authorities that if the present increase in number remains continue, अगर वो चलती रहती है तो द डिज़ायर डेवलपमेंट कुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल, ओके, वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता था अगर उसी रेट से जनसंख्या बढ़ती रही तो। The rich get richer and the poor beget children, which condemn them to uh, remain poor. More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. वो कह रहा है कि if it is so happen, अगर ऐसा होता है कि the present rate of the present growth rate of population continues, अगर ऐसी होती है तो क्या होगा, जो अमीर हैं द रिच विल गेट रिचर, अमीर और अमीर हो जाएंगे, एंड द पुअर पे गेट चिल्ड्रन, ओके, द चिल्ड्रन later criticize their parents mm, for their birth in such a poor family and all that. They will even criticize them, okay, clear, for their bad life, okay. तो क्या है कि they will remain poor, means the writer here criticize the practice of producing lots of children, thinking that more children will be more worker, but it doesn't mean more children does not mean more workers. Only it means that more people without work, ओके। जनसंख्या बढ़ाने का मतलब नहीं ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं तो ज़्यादा काम करने वाले होंगे, नहीं, ज़्यादा बच्चे मतलब ज़्यादा लोग बेरोजगार, ओके। इट इज़ नॉट सजेस्टेड दैट ह्यूमन beings be treated like cattle, ओके, एंड कंपल्सरीली स्टरलाइज्ड। लेकिन ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं है, इट शुड नॉट बी डन, ऐसा नहीं किया जाना चाहिए कि ह्यूमन बींग्स आर ट्रीटेड लाइक एनिमल्स एंड दे आर फोर्सफुली स्टरलाइज्ड, और उनको है ना फोर्सफुली स्टरलाइज किया जाए। स्टरलाइज मीन्स होता है डिस्ट्रॉइंग ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, ओके, क्लियर, क्लियर। बट देर इज़ नो अल्टरनेटिव टू वॉलंटरी फैमिली प्लानिंग विदाउट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग एन एलिमेंट ऑफ कोएर्शन, ओके। लेकिन कह रहा है कि इस चीज़ का कोई अल्टरनेट नहीं है अगर लोग वॉलंटरीली फैमिली प्लानिंग आइडिया को अडोप्ट करें, ओके, क्लियर। एंड it is the matter of coercion means controlling by force, okay, clear. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty, means people have to understand whether they would like to choose uh, control of population, with which they can get a good healthy and wealthy life, or with the growth of population, if they do or adopt this growth of population, okay, so they would certainly receive the perpetuation of poverty, means the continuation of poverty will remain there, okay. They have to live in abject poverty, by producing lots of children. Okay, clear? So let us read the last para for today. Okay, rest of the paras will be done in the next video, beta. The population of India is estimated to be 920 million today. Okay, means 92 crore. More than the entire population of Africa and South America put together. Okay, in late 90s, India's population was 92 crore. Okay, that was quite more than the population of Africa and South America. Okay, no one familiar with the conditions in India would doubt that the hope of people would die in their hungry and apartments unless population control is given topmost priority. Again, no one in India is ready to accept the uh, fact that if population control is not given the topmost priority, okay, clear, they would have to see or have to hear so many pitiful crying emerging from the hutments or hungry cottages, okay, if they do not control the population. कि ऐसी बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे अगर लोगों ने अगर इसमें कोई बात संदेह नहीं करेगा कि जब तक जनसंख्या नियंत्रण को सर्वाधिक प्राथमिकता या प्रायोरिटी नहीं दी जाती है तब तक लोगों की उम्मीदें उनकी भूखी झोपड़ झोपड़ियों में मरती रहेंगी. ओके, क्लियर? द क्राई ऑफ नॉट हैविंग मनी और food enough to feed their family would certainly ring in every hutments. Okay, so inner government of that time should have kept this in mind. Okay, और क्या भी हो गया ऐसी बात किया भी है, अदरवाइज पॉपुलेशन वुड बी ऑफ 2 बिलियन, वुड बी मोर देन 2 बिलियन होती है अब तक तो दे हैव टेकन so many steps, they had taken so many steps to control the population that time. Okay, students, we will go through the rest of the part of this chapter in our next video along with the question and answer if possible. Okay, okay students, till then keep watching the videos and make your notes. Okay, be safe. Okay, thank you very much.